What do wheel spacers do on BMW?
By increasing the track width, these BMW wheel spacers help reduce body roll, which in turn leads to better handling. Upgrading performance with BMW wheel spacers is safe for daily driving. If you install them correctly, quality spacer won't cause any problems. Usually, the thickness is below 25 mm, we call it wheel spacers, which are used to solve the problem of the wheel not being flush enough and the wheel clearance. As a reliable, precise hub-centric wheel spacers manufacturer, BONOSS is always maintaining the highest quality and best fitment. From sizes to tolerance, we are strict with ISO standards. For connecting parts, the higher the precision, the better the performance. The amount of tolerance reflects the precision. When installing wheel spacers, the factory wheel bolts are not long enough. We need to use extended wheel bolts. The original wheel bolts are usually of grade 10.9. However, BONOSS aftermarket extended wheel bolts reach ISO standard grade 12.9, with a 12-panel shape on the top of the wheel bolts, which proves the superforging process, reduces the risk of wheel bolts broken, and makes driving safer.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!